don't take it. Take it, just don't leave and live my life. Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying.
Hey Royals, today we're talking business and branding. Using my fun combination of the Cricut Maker and Cricut Easy Press. I want to thank Cricut for collaborating with me on this amazing project. You guys, I've had the Cricut Maker and Easy Press in my possession for several months now, and I have grown to love it more and more, each project after the other. Now guys, I'll be honest, I am not the most techno-savvy queen in the court, but with this Cricut Maker and Easy Press, I feel like I can whip through any design with a breeze. The easy setup, you guys, is that it is Bluetooth capable to any device, your laptop, your computer, your tablet, even your cell phone. So however you choose to set it up, it is totally up to you. You simply select your machine, Bluetooth it to that device, and you can begin styling to your heart's content. There are thousands of images to choose from, as you see here. You simply let your imagination, your creativity lead the way. Whether it is flowers, you can simply key in the word flower. As you can see, over 9,000 images pop up for flowers. So whatever flower floats your boat, you select that flower and create. For me, I was looking for something that was signature to my style and my design. Because my name is Royalty Designs, I figured a crown would be fitting for my image. When talking business and branding, you guys, you definitely want to have something that sets your business apart from the rest. When they hear your name, what do they think? When they see your brand, what do they feel? And with a name like Royal, of course, I wanted royalty to be what they feel. I selected my crown of choice, you guys, and I began to size it to my desire. The beauty of this, you guys, that you can size it up or down to fit any material that you want to attach your logo to. Because essentially, this is what you are doing. You are creating a custom logo, hence branding your look and your style. I selected this beautiful script here. Once I selected my design, I took to my Cricut Maker and began to cut out the image. You guys, it is so easy. You simply wait for the arrows to flash to load, hit the Cricut flashing C to create, and now I am scoring out my design to make it smoother, to weed it off of the actual cutting board. You guys, I've become so savvy that I've even learned how to save on material. Here I am simply going to take the Cricut cutter, and I'm going to cut down my vinyl to a more sizable or suitable dimension and make it easier for me to maneuver the vinyl as well as save on material. Here I am weeding out the desired design that I've chosen. I've already done the crown, and then the next step would be from here is to take it over to my Easy Press, lay out the image on my design, and press it in. You guys, it is so simple, easy as 1, 2, 3. But I have to tell you, out of all of the steps to this creation, this has to be the most satisfying part to me. I love weeding out the designs. The more intricate your design, the more weeding you'll need to do. But this is where the beauty and the business comes to life. Some may say it's a little tedious, but for me, it is so relaxing and therapeutic. So take your time, don't skimp this step, weed out all of the little intricate cuts, because that is what gives the detail of your overall look. Again, we're talking business and branding, so you want your design to be signature and one of a kind to your image. This is what people will see when they don't see you. So it has to be right. This, guys, can be created on magnets, car magnets, mugs, tumblers, folders, you name it. The possibilities are endless. Here I am using an iron-on vinyl because I'm going to attach it to some aprons as well as another surprise item. But what I love about the Cricut Maker is that it has the capability to be transferred onto 3 100 different items. Here, you guys, I am doing my apron so that when I'm styling, I wanted to have something functional on me at all times so that I don't have to keep reaching for my scissors or wraps or whatever it is that I'm in need of at that time. I simply use my apron, and you guys, this is what I ended up with. I absolutely love the logo. I love the font. I love the function, and it is the branding of my business. I love this so much, in fact, that I created t-shirts to match so that when I or my team are out styling a tree or styling an event or even just making a house call, we will have a professional business look that will stand the test of time. Now, moving on to some fun, you guys. I had to laugh out loud when my daughter sent me this shirt because we are avid Martin fans here. If you don't know, that is a sitcom, and they have the signature phrases. And so this is one of the signature phrases that the star of the show, Martin, would often say to his bride, Gina. And so my daughter's name being Keena, we thought it would be fun to do a twist on this design. So I took to Cricut again to create a one-of-a-kind look. So I created the first portion of it, and then I selected fonts that would fit the bill of the design to get as close as I could to the actual authentic look of the shirt that she chose. You guys, again, with the Cricut Maker, you can be as creative as you desire to be. And here I have went ahead and cut out all of the images that I want to use for this design. Just like with the t-shirt, I am going to weed it out, take my easy press, and iron everything on. But the weeding is where the detail comes to life. So once you've weeded everything, what you end up with is a fun and exciting shirt, or dress in this case, that will definitely turn heads. Now, if you're in the market to add a second stream of income, this, you guys, will be a great way to do it, and t-shirt design. So I absolutely had so much fun creating this look for my daughter. Again, we are avid fans of this sitcom, so this to us was a very fun and exciting idea to create together. A big thank you to Cricut for sponsoring today's video, and a big thank you to you for tuning in. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button and join the Royal family. I would love it if you could give this video a big thumbs up. It helps the channel out tremendously. And to all of my tried and trues and my brand new boos, thank you guys so much for continuing to rock with your girl. Stay tuned because I have so many more fun and exciting videos to share to close out the summer season, and you don't want to miss them. I want to invite you, if you haven't already, connect with me on my other social media platforms at RoyalTDesignswithTravina. Until the next video, I want you all to stay safe, remain royal, and have a blessed and beautiful day.